Hello, welcome to the channel. I got a new product that I'd like to share with you guys. I got this product on the mail today, the WLC Plus wireless bass knob made by the AmLab. I want to get this string installed in the truck today, see if I like it. Bass knob seems to be pretty nice. Because it's wireless, you gotta charge this bass knob. Gotta get it charged. So once it's fully charged, you can get up to 18 hours of playtime. But this bass knob has some LEDs inside too. If you're not running your LEDs, they say you can run it up to 18 hours. And you like to have your LEDs on, you still get like 11 hours of playtime. This product seems to be pretty nice. Let's see, and looks like it'll show you voltage and the volume, the percentage on your gain here when you're using your bass knob. Which is pretty nice. I think one more click. Yeah, there you go. There's the lights. I'm gonna get this thing installed in the truck. Another thing too, I was looking at this. It's got the Tiffany style RCA connectors, which is pretty nice. And it comes with these bottom plates. Like wherever you're gonna mount it in your vehicle, you can just run your screws here. And it's got magnets. So you can use, once you get that bottom plate mounted, you can just set this thing on there. It seems to be pretty secure. Same thing with the bass knob. You can mount this thing in your vehicle if you like to. And same old thing. Got those magnets, pretty strong magnets. And they will stay there. How you guys can see, I already had a bass knob here. My little Michael Jordan. But my cable is a little short. I can always add another RC8, more power, more ground cable to make it work, or to be able to run the bass knob from outside of the truck. But I like to give that other one a try. If I don't like it, I can always go back to this one. This one's pretty nice too. It will show you your voltage. The eyes light up. It's been pretty reliable. This one was made by Roy, a crew member from the crew Flex Zone Impress. It's a pretty nice bass knob. Got the switch here and everything. So I might be removing this one right now and getting the other ones installed. Now this box comes with this deal right here for the power, remote and ground. If you remove these, it makes it much easier to run the cables. And once you're done, you can just plug it back in to the box and it should be all good. Well, now I got it all hooked up. Now the RCA is coming from your stereo, goes to your input, and then once going to your amplifiers, it'll be the output. It's pretty simple install. Gonna give it a try, make sure everything's working fine. Well, I got it all hooked up, it's all ready to go. I played with the settings a little bit, and I chose the blue light on this thing. Everything seems to be working just fine. And it looks like when you turn turn this thing off and turn it back on. It won't take but only a couple seconds to be paired and ready to go again. And it needs to have a good range. They said it's 25 feet. I'm outside of the truck. It's still working just fine. And it's still good. Yeah, it works just fine. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Now you guys like this kind of content, like and subscribe, and I see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.